Welcome to this lesson on electrical power. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important concepts in electricity, the relationship between power, voltage, and current expressed by the formula P equals V times I. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to calculate the rate at which electrical energy is consumed in circuits. Let's start by understanding what electrical power actually means. Power is the rate at which electrical energy is consumed or transferred in a circuit. In simpler terms, it tells us how quickly energy is being used by an electrical device. For example, a high-power appliance like a heater uses energy much faster than a low-power device like a small LED bulb. The formula for electrical power is P equals V times I here. P represents power, V represents voltage, and I represents current. This simple equation shows us that power is the product of voltage and current. When you multiply the voltage across a device by the current flowing through it, you get the power consumed by that device. Let's look at the units for each quantity in our formula. Power, represented by P, is measured in watts. Voltage, represented by V, is measured in volts. And current, represented by I, is measured in amperes, often shortened to amps. It's crucial to use these standard units when performing calculations to ensure your answers are correct. Now let's apply this formula to a practical example. Suppose a light bulb operates at 12 volts and the current flowing through it is 2 amperes. Our task is to find the power consumed by this light bulb. We have all the information we need, the voltage and the current. Let's solve this problem step by step. To find the power, we use the formula P equals V times I. Substituting our values, we get P equals 12 times 2. Multiplying these numbers gives us 24. Therefore, the power consumed by the light bulb is 24 watts. This means the bulb uses energy at a rate of 24 watts. Understanding electrical power has many real-world applications. First, it helps you calculate electricity bills, as power consumption directly affects how much you pay. Second, it's essential for designing circuits with proper ratings to ensure safety and efficiency. Third, it allows you to understand the energy efficiency of different devices, helping you make informed choices about which appliances to use. Remember, the key formula for electrical power is P equals V times I. Master this formula, and you'll be able to understand and calculate energy consumption in any electrical circuit. This fundamental concept is the foundation for more advanced topics in electricity and electronics. Keep practicing with different examples to build your confidence and understanding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.